Get ready.
They know it.
Get ready. Stop moving. Stop moving. Leave. Stop moving. Stop moving.
They're not stupid.
Yeah, they are. Stupid.
Stop moving. Don't move.
Don't move.
Ooh.
Don't move. Fucking go. Get some fucking food. Shut up. You're running. Staring at me. Stop moving.
Stop shaking.
Stop shaking. Stop moving. Hold on. Go. You know you want it. Take it. Oh, get ready. Oh.
They're just standing there.
Stop moving. That's why they're not coming. They keep on passing right by you. Keep passing right by you. Keep moving. Look at them just watching, just waiting.
You guys are homos.
You're a fucking homo. Fuck you.
You're a fucking homo. Don't do that.
Slap you with sand.
No.
Get it. It's really broken. Get it. Hey, I still on my nose. Hey, she bite my dick. I'm gonna kill one of you. They know you're there. Stop moving. You be right too close to him. You'll back out. Oh no! One passed right by you. Hello,
If one doesn't, then they'll all do it.
If one doesn't, they all do it. I just say, driving like, go eat that. They're so aggravating.
That's a waste of chips, guys.
This is gnarly.
Yeah, but those are ranch. They're nasty ranch.
Stop breathing!
Oh, they passed right over you.
Look at him just waiting.
Look at the pigeon.
The pigeons are gonna fall for it. The pigeon's walking towards you. Eat it, pigeon. Oh, you're getting close.
Oh, what the hell?
Look at that one just chilling.
We brought all the birds from the beach over here. Hold on. Oh, they're going straight.
Stay still.
No. Don't move.
This is a long pointless video.
Hold on, let me shut up. They'll move.
Are you speaking to me? Asshole.
Fuck! Ah! No! They got so close. You would've run down. Oh my God! It's so. Why can't we take it out? He's dead.
Oh my God.
Too hard. Don't move. I'm punching your mouth.
Dude, that guy must have been so fucking.
Oh
like,
shit, they're like jumping over him.
The pigeon's gonna fall for it. Dude, Giancarlo, every time you move, the pigeon leaves. Hey, let's just leave. Let's just walk like over. No.
They're eating all the ones around it.
Fucking eat it! Dude, I'm done. Dude, they're getting full off of like the chips that you're. Oh my God, you're wasting chips.
Oh shit, they're like fighting.
Oh! Yeah, he got I got a fucking record.
You guys, that was nice.
Yeah. Fucking love.
I want that on my face.
Was it a pigeon?
No, a seagull.
Say bye, guys. Now.
I
Bye.
got a fucking seagull.